get ready with me as we welcome year 2026. I'm
Yes.
Mia. Hello, say hi.
Hello.
And Lois, they will help me put my makeup.
We're both wearing yellow.
Gusto mo nang saba? First you need to
Primer.
wash your hands, girl.
Okay.
Wash your hands. Go, go,
Okay.
go. Wash your hands. Wipe
We're
your hands.
both wearing yellow.
Oh, why are you wearing yellow?
I don't know.
And then
Hello.
okay, first thing is
Primer.
wow. First you have to put this.
Saan?
Tini will just use the
That
Air
foundation?
Cushion liquid foundation.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Dapat anak Mia.
Yeah.
You do like that,
And then you got
and then
put
you
it,
spread it. Oh, ikaw put. You spread on the other side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wherever.
Yeah.
your face.
Yeah, yeah. Blend it.
Until it's gone. Until the thing is gone.
And then you do like that. Oh, like that. Mura gamay ra kayo na yung gibutan sa kuha.
Okay naman. I think daghan gani kayo.
Dagan ka.
One more.
Titi, sabak kayo.
Okay lang. Can I
Yeah, you gentle lang, ano,
Okay. Your face is getting lighter.
yeah.
Yeah, because foundation makes your face light
Dapat make sure to, to blend it properly, like that.
Ikaw na lang magtarong tita. Okay naman yun.
There, let me see.
Laki brush or...
Is this done?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, what's next? What do you
Blush?
think is next?
Blush?
Not yet.
What?
This one.
Oh, bronzer.
Wait.
Is that bronzer?
No, it's not bronzer. Okay, this one.
This is highlighter pala. Akala ko ito yung blush. Ito yung
here.
highlighter.
You use this one, Mia. The puff.
Why is it a puff? So you put it on your cheek.
Yeah. Mia.
Saba, sa ano ni Tigan?
Of good. Sabak kayo.
You put your fingers here. And then you tap.
Yeah. Pat lang, Mia. Don't.
Like that.
Okay, sige.
Yeah, like
That-
this.
so-
Careful. Like ding ding.
Remember when your mommy put makeup on you, right? Wanna join you? You wanna join? Let's have fun and
Girl.
okay. Okay.
Wala na si... wala na.
Okay. Oh, I love chickies. Okay, next. What's next?
Let me guess. Blush.
Okay, blush on. That's blush on.
How about this one?
That's highlighter, Titi. Blend na? There? Okay. Next, Lois. Next.
It's highlighter.
She will show you and then you follow the next face. Okay, go.
You just put a little bit Mia like this lang. But why does it make you shine? Yeah. And,
You can use the blush on for my eyeshadow.
okay.
Okay. Okay, you use that. You use like this on my like that.
Okay. Come.
Okay, next is
This
what's next? This one? What's that for?
Eyebrow. For eyebrows.
Titi, is that for my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, after Titi.
One more. Titi, more. Hmm? Wow. Okay.
How about this one?
Huh?
How about this
Oh, I'm done na. Okay. Tini
What
is
about
done.
that?
Di pa mo maligo?
Maligo na!
Nag-
Makeup yan!
Dahil lang, nag-makeup me. Oh,
Ay! Nagpikit ng katita.
what is that for?
For this.
Oh, sige, you put for Tini. Oh, not there, Titi. Here, oh, here. Okay, yay! Egusal, I'm done! Yay!
And now my turn.